This is a screencast on how to do an Excel PMT assignment. The first thing I did was I started with a blank Excel sheet, and at the very top right here I put in the amount of my loan, which is $150,000, my annual interest rate, which is 5.8%, and then the number of payments I would like to pay it off in, which is 120. And that would make my monthly payment come out to $1,650.28. In order to get that equation, if you click on this monthly payment box right here, it shows you my equation at the top. I used the PMT formula, and it took cell E2 divided by 12, and then E3 minus E1. So that is how I got my monthly payment. The next thing that I did was I came down here, and this column right here is going to be my number of payments, so it's going to go all the way down to 120. This is the payment that I have to make each month. This column is going to be the interest that I have to pay on it, and then this column right here is going to be the principal, and then this column will show how much is left after each payment. So the first thing that I did was I plugged in the number 0 to show my starting balance, which is 150,000, and then the next thing that I did was I went to column 1, and basically I did column or cell B1 plus 1, which is going to make this the first payment, and then you follow it down, so on and so forth, and it's just going to keep adding 1 to the previous cell. Over here, if you click on the payment tab, this tab is going to equal the monthly payment cell right here. So the interest, this cell is going to equal my interest rate up here divided by 12, and then the principal tab is going to be cell C9 minus cell D9, so it's going to be just the remainder of what's left after you pay off the interest. And then this tab, you're just going to have it equal F8, so the top right here, minus E9, which is this cell right here. So it's going to equal that amount. And basically, once you figured out all of these formulas, you're just going to highlight the top, and then what you would do is, you see how there's a little black square right here, you just drag it all the way down to 100. You drag it all the way down to the 120th payment, and we'll go down to show you that. As you can see, over time the amount of money that's owed is going down until finally it reaches a balance of 0.